Sir, do you want to buy a microwave?
No.
You.
Hey, you.
No.
Hey.
You guys want to buy a microwave?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, check out all this money I made.
You made money?
Yeah, I feel it.
Whoa, money. Man, I wish I'd made money. Nothing. No one is buying from me. No one.
You know, I actually heard of this other mall in Ontario. They like to buy microwaves.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we should go work there instead, because this place, no one is buying.
For you.
Oh, you're so mean. Just rub it in some more, why don't you?
I got everyone except for that one kid.
Yeah. I think I saw you talking to him.
Yeah. I will sell him this microwave. It is the last thing I do.
Let's hope so. We need the money.
Yes, we do. Hey, how've your microwave sales been?
Pretty good. I mean, everyone wants to buy one because they're so popular, except everyone I talk to, but...
Really? Mine have been pretty good, except for this one kid. He just won't buy one.
Really? That's so weird.
I don't know why.
Isn't that him?
Oh, yeah! You want to buy a microwave?
Not really.
But it cooks everything.
No, I don't want one.
But it can cook everything instantly.
No.
Mom, no one wants to buy a microwave.
I'm sorry, Mia.
What? Do you want to buy a microwave?
No. Keep selling, no.
You're no help. I gotta go. I see someone now. Hi. I'm trying to sell a microwave. You want one?
What is a microwave?
Well, it's pretty simple. It cooks food instantly, and it does it instantly. It heats it from the inside out.
Sounds interesting.
It really is. They're amazing. Well, right now they're half off for about $500.
All right, I'll take one.
Perfect. Man, no one ever wants to buy a microwave.
I know.
What are you doing?
Sad.
You're sad, so you're gonna pound on the table? No one ever wants to buy a microwave. Everybody's just turning me down. I had this one girl, she wouldn't even let me finish. She just, as soon as I started talking, she just cut me
Why do they
off.
want me to get a microwave?
Microwave? Hey, come back.
No.
Are you tired of eating that cold?
Not really.
Well, you don't have to be tired anymore. Now introducing the microwave. And all you have to do is push a few buttons, press start, and ta-da! No more cold apples.
I like them cold.
Aren't microwaves great?
Of course they are. You can put anything in a microwave, like a water bottle.
Or an eraser and a pencil.
Or some paper.
Lots of paper. And cook.
Put some apples in. Press some buttons. Forget it.
So what about that microwave? But it's only $10 million.
I'll buy one for $10.
No.
Why would they do this?
Hey, buy a microwave. Buy a microwave. Open the door. Open the door. Hey, come back. Open the door. Open the door. Come back. Hey, wait. What about that? What about that microwave? No, come back. No!
Ma, come pick me up. Mamá, ven por mí, por favor.
What's
Hey.
up? How you been?
Pretty good, you?
Good, good.
These people are crazy with microwaves. Did anyone come up to you?
Yeah, some girl tried to scare me right now.
It's insane. Like, what am I gonna do with the microwave? Like, I have a stove. That's
I
okay.
know, me too. It's all about stoves right now.
I know,
It's all
the
about-
fire, it's so natural.
Yeah, it's all, see,